Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. So today I want to give you guys a quick update of my cash secure put and cover call portfolio. And today is probably going to be the last day of this play for these stocks I've been holding. I'm going to just close out the position just so I can implement the tax loss harvesting strategy. And it's basically just to offset the gains I have currently for the 2022 year. And this is just not financial advice at all. This is just what I'm doing personally and what it's benefit for me, because I do have gains for the 2022 year from various brokerages accounts that I have. So without further ado, I'm just going to be closing everything out so you can see what I'm actually doing. And hopefully for this 2022 year, whoever has sticked around with me most, like, learn something from doing this kind of strategy, and also knowing how the tools work, just from looking at some of the plays that I do. And most of the stuff that I do is pretty redundant. It's just going in and out, hopping a couple of trades in here and there, and then I just identifying where to find the tools and how to implement it on Webull. And by the way, if you haven't already have Webull yet, download, fund your account. You still have time to collect your free stocks from there, and also practice trading on paper trading, and they have options trading as well on the Webull platform. So feel free to check that out. But without further ado, I'm just go ahead and dive into my trade and give you guys an update of what happened for these past couple of days or weeks. So first things first, just let me give you a quick run through my account. So I'm going to start with Palantir, because Palantir, I had to exit a position really quick because I found something that I didn't like, and that's the reason why I exited out a position real quick. So if you were following about me 2 weeks ago or so, I did do a cash secure put. So the cash secure put was for, let me just pull this up real quick. I think it was a 6.5 strike, right? And expire. I closed out early, and I have a screenshot of it just so you can see. So I'm gonna move this right over here side by side. So I closed it out on, let's see, on the 21st. So I just bought it back for $19 around there, right over here. So right over here, I debit myself, so I just went ahead and closed out cash secure put 6.5 strike 19 right over here, 19 cents, or aka $19, and then my $38 went out of my account. So this one cancel out for the 6.5 cash secure put right over here. So I closed these two position out right over here. So that leaves us with one, and that is the cover call. So cover call is 7.5. That didn't get executed or didn't get assigned, so I'm just going to go ahead and close that out. So overall, I'm just going to go ahead, and overall, it seems like I have a loss of 3,148 because my running profit over here is negative 48. So this year, as you could tell, most of the tech stock wasn't doing good, and if I could hold it a little bit longer, that would be great. But the thing is, like, for this year, I really need to offset my gains. So this is why I'm doing this. If I have the opportunity, if I have a lot more gains, or no, if I have a lot more losses, I'll just leave it as is and continue running this strategy. And hopefully in like about 2 years or so, it'll go back up. And obviously this hopefully is going to be depending on how the company performs, by the way. So not a lot of people show you the bad side, and at the end it's going to be like a lot of losses. Well, to me it's not much, but to some people for a smaller account it's going to be a lot. But this is what when you're investing, you have to take the risk of losing everything. So I did take the risk, and this is all calculated, by the way, and I am okay with this risk or with this loss that I'm taking. So I'm going to go ahead and find Palantir. So I'm going to click on Palantir right now, and I'm going to hover over, actually this is all set up, so I'm going to go be selling. So I have currently 200 shares right over here, and my average price per share that I bought a cost basis was $15.74. And I'm going to go here and do 200 right over here. And then I'm going to be buying it. Let's see. No, actually, it's going to be sell because I'm selling it, remember. Where is the sell? Yeah, sell right over here. I'm going to be selling 200 at a limit price. Let's say 0.04. Actually, I just want to execute this so everybody can see. It's in real time. Market right over here. No stop loss or anything like that. So I'll be getting around like 6.05. Everything looks good. So 200 share, I'll be selling that amount. I get 1,000 something. Okay, so that went through. Let's see. So I got filled right over here, 200. Market filled at 6.05. All right, I'm gonna go over here and then fill this up, and you'll see how much I lost on this one. All right. All right, so after inputting all my data right over here, so it's sold 200. Today's December 28th, and just 200 shares, and I got a credit of 6. So money is coming into my account, so basically $6.05 for this average price over here, and that gives me $1,210 in total. Close this out position, everything is closed right over here. So that leaves me with a running profit or loss when assigned is 1,938. This is a loss, by the way. So when you see parentheses on here, and by the way, I do have this template. It's free of charge. You don't have to sign up or anything. I just have it on a Google sheet. You could just go ahead if you have a Google account, or just, I don't know if you need a Google account, but all you do is just need a Gmail. Or if you don't have a Gmail, just make one up. It's free anyways. Just download it. It's free to use. You could use it like this for the wheel strategy if you like. I don't require any sign up or anything like that, and nothing up front. So right over here, so parentheses $1,938. So that's how much I lost for Palantir, and we're gonna add up the next one. So pins right over here, and by the way, shares, I'm just gonna put to 0 because all of that doesn't really matter. So this position is going to be closed out for 2022. Next year I'm going to be doing something else. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing, but I'll keep you updated for sure, whether it's going to be trading basic stocks or doing more option plays. So right now I'm going to switch over to pins. So this is pins, and currently right now it's trading at $22.87. And if you look at my chart right over here, I have a covered call for a strike of $24.50, and with the expiration of December 23rd. And this did expire, and I did get it signed, and I'll show you why right now. So if I look right over here, and it's currently for December 23rd. If I find it right over here, December 23rd, right over here, I have a remember my strike was at 24.50. Right now the closing for pins was at 24.53, so I did get a sign because it was above the strike. So right now I'm gonna close this position out and then hit assigned cover call right over here for December 23rd, and this is 400, and since money is coming in, I put 24.50 right over here. And this gives me about $9,800. And then if I were to look at my running profit over here for throughout the year, I got $1,422, and then my total amount that gets assigned was 4,000 something ish. And then my overall running loss or profit is $3,024. So that, if I were to add all of this up, let's see how much my loss is. It's roughly about $5,000 just for doing mental math. But let me give you the exact number right over here. So 3,024 plus 1,938, and my total loss is 4,962 for this year, and this will offset my gains that I have throughout all the brokerages that I have. At Webull, I didn't have most of my gains on Webull since I trade mostly on Webull, but I do have Robinhood, Thinkorswim, and all the other trading platforms, TD Ameritrade. I mean, so hopefully you understand why I'm doing this. It's not because, oh, I'm a loser and I suck. Well, in this case, I am a loser for showing you this losing little gameplay that I have. And by the way, this is just my little, portfolio that I set up just for practice and to show you what a wheel strategy is, how you get in and out of trade, and how to make money on a weekly or a monthly basis. Of course, if I stick around, hold this a little bit longer, maybe a year or two, I'll definitely make some money off of this. And plus, by the way, if the stock is going down and you like the stock, you'll continue to average dollar cost average in, or get money just for holding it. It's not a bad idea for this. This is in my opinion. This is not financial advice at all. Hopefully this kind of setup helped you. For most of my subscribers out there who subscribe, I don't have much, but hopefully for those of you found this valuable, give this video a like, and please, let me know what I should do next for 2022 year. I do have something in mind, but if you have any comments or questions about that, feel free to drop a comment down below, and I'll catch you all next year.